नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौरभक्तवृंदा. Rejuvenating Text 6 and Text 7 of Chapter 3, Rishabh Dev's appearance of 5th Canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 6. परिजनानुराग विरचित शबल समशब्द सरिलसित किसलय तुलसिका दुरवान कुरैरपि संभृतया सपर्यया किल परम परितुष्यसि. O Supreme Lord, you are full in every respect. You are certainly very satisfied when your devotees offer you prayers with faltering voices and in ecstasy bring you tulsi leaves, water, twigs bearing new leaves, and newly grown grass. This surely makes you satisfied. One does not need great wealth, education, or opulence to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead. If one is fully absorbed in love and ecstasy, he need offer only a flower and a little water. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, पत्रम पुष्पम फलम तोयम यो मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति. If one offers me with love and devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water, I will accept it. Bhagavad Gita 9.26. The Supreme Lord can be pleased only by devotional service. Therefore, it is said here that the Lord is surely satisfied by devotion and nothing else. Quoting from the Gautamiya Tantra, the Hari Bhakti Vilas states, तुलसी दल मात्रेण जलस्य कुलुकेन वा विक्रीणीते स्वम आत्मानं भक्तेभ्यो भक्तवत्सलः. Sri Krishna, who is very affectionate toward his devotees, sells himself to a devotee who offers merely tulsi leaf and a palm full of water. The Supreme Lord is causelessly merciful upon his devotees, so much so that even the poorest of men can offer him a little water and a flower in devotion and thus please him. This is due to his affectionate dealings with his devotees. Text 7. Atha nayapi na bhavata ijjayoru bharabharaya समुचित मर्थ मी होप लभामहे. We have engaged in your worship with many things and have offered sacrifices unto you, but we think that there is no need for so many arrangements to please your lordship. Srila Rupa Goswami says that if one is offered varied foods and has no appetite, the offering has no value. In a big sacrificial ceremony, there may be many things accumulated to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But if there is no devotion, attachment, or love for the Lord, the arrangement is useless. The Lord is complete in himself and he does not need anything from us. However, if we offer him a leaf, a flower, a little water, and a tulsi leaf, he will accept them. Bhakti devotional service is the main way to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is not a question of arranging huge sacrifices. The priests were regretful, thinking that they were not on the path of devotional service and that their sacrifice was not pleasing to the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.